Hi, my name is Marco and welcome to the Model Gene. Today I'll be answering the question, what is the difference between a lookbook and a campaign? A lookbook and a campaign are both advertising jobs used to promote a brand, but they serve different purposes. When launching a new collection, designers will release a campaign that visually communicates what their collection is about. Many campaigns now include a video element as well, but campaigns typically consist of only a few images designed to make a strong impact and sell a vision of that collection. Lookbooks, on the other hand, prioritize showing the products on sale. Yes, there is very often a common thread between these two advertising projects, but the campaigns focus on branding and emotion, and lookbooks focus on pieces to be sold. Much of the success of a fashion house depends on the strength of their branding, and campaigns are one of the strongest tools they have in their arsenal for that. Although runway shows sell a brand's vision through a grand event, they have relatively very little impact outside of the insular fashion bubble. Campaigns, however, can be seen by the masses on billboards, buses, and TV commercials. Lookbooks feature most of the collection but reach fewer people because they are often only online and sometimes printed out in stores to be seen at the request of clients. Of the different jobs a model can do, campaigns pay the most but are also the most rare. A brand can be shooting e-commerce and lookbooks for smaller collections multiple times in a year, but typically only have a spring-summer and a fall-winter main campaign. If you have any questions about campaigns and lookbooks, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.